Okay, sir. So if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Yeah, I have so many questions because I have seen your so many video, and when I open my YouTube channel, I think 2 days ago I have seen your video. You talked with Rimpi Chakraborty, and I had noticed that your English grammar and your speaking and your confidence so good. So I have a question to you, only one question. How are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. So what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Okay, so we are meeting first time. So please say something about yourself. After that, I will say.
Yeah, why not? As well as my name is Krishna Mallik, and I am talking with you in Calcutta, but I live in Hyderabad. Purpose my job, and I am doing job private limited company, LNT company, and I have been working this company still 2 years. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation from Calcutta University, and I like play football, cricket, and I like to talk different people. There are 6 members in my family. That's all about me. May I know introduce yourself, brother?
Okay, thanks for asking about myself. My name is Barun, and I am also from West Bengal in Purulia district. I think you know, obviously you know. And now actually I'm a student. I'm studying BSc in Physics honors. This is my final year. And now actually I'm learning this language, and also I'm running a YouTube channel because of my English actually. I want to improve my confidence, and also I want to remove my fear. So that's why actually I'm doing like this. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, recently I have seen your video. You have talked, I think, Rimpi Chakraborty. She's from Calcutta, West Bengal.
Okay, yeah, one said, yeah,
Yes. Yeah, I have seen your video. Still 20 minutes
yeah.
before this conversation. So yeah, brother. So how's your day going so far?
It's going well, and I want to know one thing. You live in Hyderabad.
Yeah,
Okay, so now you use English language or Hyderabad in Hindi language in
yeah.
Hyderabad?
Hyderabad the language is Telugu language. It's very different and very difficult language in our country as well as in Bengali language. So yeah, when I came to in Hyderabad, at that time I didn't know how to speak Telugu and Tamil language. So yeah, nowadays I know very well speak Telugu and Tamil language.
Okay, so in Hyderabad, you are like when you were working place, so that time you speak English or any other language.
Yeah, when I came to in Hyderabad, the purpose job in my office, most of the people there are talking in Telugu language because at that time I faced so many difficulty because at that time I didn't know how to speak Telugu language. Yeah, one of my friends one day said that, do you know Telugu language? So you have to practice daily because in our office most of the people employed there are talking in Telugu language because they does not how to speak Hindi and properly English, little bit English they does not because after that I thought that yeah I have to learn English because at that time my room partner was Telugu because he was talking with me all the time at that time. Telugu language. So yeah, nowadays I'm improving my Telugu and Tamil language. So yeah, you can say I have connect nowadays 5 languages. I know very well Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi, Bengali, little bit English because my mother tongue is Bengali. You know very well.
Okay, great. Okay, sir. So one thing I want to know: how did you learn this language, English language? How did you learn, and from where did you learn? Please say.
Telugu, Tamil.
No, no, English language.
Yeah, because when I came to when I came to uh, interview at that time, most of the question to be asked in English question. because English, this sound is global sound. Everyone want to learn English because mm, at that time when I got job and when I qualified in this company, at this at that time most of the people and most of them in my office, most of the employees there are talking in Telugu Tamil language. That's why I think that I thought that I have to learn it because at that time I didn't know how to speak English language and Telugu and Tamil language. So yeah. Other hand, my father used to call me Krishna. You have to learn English because English will be global language in our country. So at that time, I didn't listen and I didn't take care anything because at that time I didn't think that English will be spoken in our country, not in our country, all over the world. So yeah, you can say I did learn English. Become my dedication, hard work, and my time management because I don't get so much time because I'm doing a private limited company. So yeah, when I get time, I practice daily, and uh, when I get time, I talk to my friend and my family members. Yeah,
So when you learning this language, so that time you did learn grammar or not?
yeah, I didn't listen properly, brother.
Okay, actually, I am saying when you were learning this language first time when you started, that time you did learn English grammar or not? Actually, my question is
Yeah,
that
brother.
what's your yeah? Actually, my question is that what's your opinion? English grammar is important or not?
Yeah, you can
And
see
English
because
speaking.
you're right. Yeah, English grammar is very important for spoken English because without grammar you can start your spoken English, no doubt. Because I am not born in Amitabh Bachchan family, you are not born in Shah Rukh Khan family because there are starting speaking English without grammar. Because if you want to share anything like me and you, so you have to grammar, you have to focus basic grammar because most of the people there are want to advanced vocabulary, they are want to share anything different kind of use sentence, so you have to focus
Mhm.
basic grammar. Yeah, when I started my English journey at that time, I thought that I will improve my spoken English. I have to follow basic grammar because when I started my English journey, at that time, I knew very well English grammar, but I didn't know how to speak with others through this particular language. So yeah, nowadays I am focusing English grammar, basic English grammar, because if you want to share anything new something in front of your people, at that time, if you will basic sentences, basic grammar, so your sound is good. Because if you want to use while speaking difficult sentences, difficult vocabulary, so speaker and in front of your people, they do not easy to understand what you are saying. So this kind of conversation is useful, do not useful for you and your speaker. So yeah, when we speak and when we share anything, and when we share your student life, so you should follow basic grammar because basic grammar is very important for spoken English. Without basic grammar, you can start your speaking English because so many people they are saying that without grammar you can start speaking. Most of the people they are saying that, and example, Karishma Swan, she always said that. Without grammar you can start spoken English, no doubt, yes. Absolutely right. Without grammar you can start your spoken English, but if you want to fluent speaker, if you want to motivational speaker, then absolutely you have to follow basic grammar. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for saying about your strategy or your journey. Okay, sir. So if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Yeah, I have so many questions because I have seen your so many video, and when I open my YouTube channel, I think 2 days ago I have seen your video. You talked with Rinki Chakraborty, and I I had noticed that your English grammar and your speaking and your confidence so good. So I have a question to you, only one question. When you started your English journey and when you start speaking in front of your friends and your teacher and your others public, at that time, do you think that you have hesitation, you have mistake, and you have so many things coming into your mind, how to speak English, how to confidence, how to increasing confidence level. So yeah, my last question is when we started speaking English at that time, what kind of difficulty did you face? Because when I started my English journey at that time, so many difficulty I faced. So after that, I will after that. I have collect 5 or 6 languages. So yeah, I want to know you what kind of difficulty did you face when you started your English journey?
Okay, sir. Actually, there are lots of questions. Okay, I
No, no, no.
will.
Only one question. Only one question. I was question was only one question. Yeah, you can reply my question.
Okay, sir. Thanks for saying. Actually, you did watch my video, and yeah, how did I learn this language, or what kind of mistakes, what kind of problem I faced when I was learning this language? Actually, when I started this language, so that time I was studying class 12. From that time I was learning, and in this time actually I'm studying final year. So it is almost 3 years, but when I started that time I was not consistent actually. So when I was started this journey, so that time I faced lots of problem. Like I don't have environment. As you know, in our surround, in our state, there are no any environment to speak this language. So that time I was thinking I should learn myself. So that time I was watching lots of video in English on YouTube. And that time I was learning some basic grammar like tense, modal verb, like this. And in my opinion, if anyone wants to learn this language, so there are some grammar. Actually, many people say basic grammar is important. Basic grammar means, in my opinion, tense, modal verb, and some verbs form. That is enough. So that while I was learning this language, so that time lots of problem I faced. Like actually, I don't have environment that time, and actually I don't have friends also that time. So everything I practiced with myself. Like actually most of the time I listen motivational speaker in English, and also I listen English content, and then I learn from them. Yeah, that's a thing actually I did for my English journey.
Okay, okay. When you did think that you have to learn English?
Sorry, sir.
When you think you have to learn English? Who is your
Okay,
expression? Who is
okay,
your
okay.
yes?
Actually, when I was studying class 12, that time I was thinking English is very important, English language, because after my college, after my 12, I have to admit BSc in physics. That time when I was 11 and 12, that time I was studying lots of subject: physics, chemistry, math, and biology, English, Bangla. So that time I was feeling I have to study physics. So that time I was thinking, if I will study physics, so I have to learn English. Without I cannot survive. So that time I
Yes,
was
yes.
thinking I will learn English. Yeah, that's
Who is your expression in your during in your school? You have to learn English.
Actually I follow one person, Doyal Chandra Burman. He's from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Yes, I follow his video, not regularly. When I get time, I follow his video. Yes. So yeah, my another
Your
question
voice
is to.
is stop. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, now you're clear. Yes, sir.
I have another question to you because this sound is global sound. Everyone want to learn this sound, and everyone want to confidence uh, in this sound. So yeah, I want to know you. When you go to outside state and when you go to abroad means your other district. So at that time, did you face different kind of language? At that time,
Yes, yeah, 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 yeah.
you,
Actually,
if you and at that time, can you use English language others people? I mean to see public speaking.
so I visited one state, Jharkhand, because there are some relative, so that's why I went. But that time, actually, one time I faced this situation. Actually, I went on their place. So that time I was facing one time. Actually, one person, one student, I can say, one person did speak with me in English. So that time I was facing some problem. That time I was studying, I think 11, 10 or 11. So that time actually I was thinking I should learn this language also. That time I cannot able to speak. I remember
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. You're right. You're right. My question was to when you go to outside, I mean to say other district. At that time,
Other district.
can you speak? Yes, can you speak with theirs in English language?
No, no, actually, I visited one or two, I think, two district, Kolkata, and one time I visited Bardhaman. So that time I was speaking Bengali. Everyone speaks Bengali. I
Okay.
didn't face any problem, and I didn't say any English.
When you start your public speaking, I have told
Sorry.
you. When you when you start your public speaking.
Okay, when I started public speaking,
Yes.
public speaking, if I talk about, actually when I was first year, when I was studying first year in college, so that time I was thinking I have to learn this language, so that's why that time I created YouTube channel for my English speaking. Yeah, from that time I was doing.
Yes. 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 You're
Yeah.
right. Okay. What do you want in your future? Because you are
Future,
looking
actually,
government job, I think.
yeah, actually in this time I'm studying final year, and also actually I have cleared one exam for masters, IIT Jam. Do you know?
Yes, 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 I know IDTC.
Yeah, so I have cleared. So after my college, I will go for MSc.
Go for?
MSc,
Yes,
master,
yes. Yeah.
master's.
After uh, what will think? What do you want in your future? What kind of job you will choose?
Actually, I want to go. I want to work for society. So after my MSc, I will prepare for civil service.